In this video, I will show you powerful new update inside NotebookLM. You can now edit your slides directly within the platform itself, no third-party apps, no paid subscriptions, and completely free. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how this new feature works, step by step. Trust me, this is something you'll want to see. It's honestly a feature many of us have been waiting for. Let me start by opening a slide deck I previously created in NotebookLM. If you've used it before, you probably remember the frustration. Once a deck was generated, that was it. If there was a typo in the title, an error in the text, or an image you didn't like, you couldn't fix it directly. There was no way to edit the slides without starting over. That's finally changed. NotebookLM has introduced a new feature called Revise, and it does exactly what the name suggests. You can now modify your slides natively inside the platform. No exporting, no hacks, no rebuilding from scratch. Here's how it works. When you click the Revise option, a text box appears where you describe the changes you want. NotebookLM reads your instructions and applies them to the entire deck. It's surprisingly intuitive. For example, if I want to adjust a slide title, I can type something like, "Make the title shorter." But here's the smart way to use it. Instead of editing slides one at a time, you can and should list all your changes together. Think of it like giving instructions to a designer. You wouldn't send 5 separate emails for 5 small tweaks. You'd provide everything at once. So on another slide, I might write, "Change the image to black and white color." Similarly, on this slide, I will say, "Add more detail about consumption." Once you've entered all your edits, they appear as pending changes at the bottom. Instead of updating slides individually, you just click Generate New Deck. NotebookLM processes all your instructions and creates a fully updated version in one go. And honestly, that's impressive. Now, this works differently from tools like Canva. In Canva, you manually click and edit each element. NotebookLM regenerates the entire deck based on your written instructions. The first generation might take a bit longer, but edits are noticeably faster, especially if the changes are minor. The smaller the tweak, the quicker the result. Let's look at the outcome. The updated title is clean and exactly as requested. The image has been converted to black and white, and interestingly, it kept the original photo rather than replacing it. That's a subtle but meaningful detail. On the consumption slide, the added content appears correctly formatted with no missing elements. It simply works. Overall, the Revise feature is solid. Now let's try something bigger, changing the entire theme. I'll type, "Change the theme to a neon modern style." After clicking Generate, the deck refreshes with a bold new look. The visual transformation is clear. However, there's a limitation. The theme update applies only to the specific page you're editing. If you want the same neon style across every slide, you'll need to repeat the process for each one. There's no global apply to all option yet. It's not a deal breaker, but it can be time-consuming for longer decks. Hopefully that's improved in future updates. Let's test one more small edit. Change the black text to orange for better visibility. Because it's a minor adjustment, the update happens almost instantly. The typography shifts to clean white text, improving readability. There may be small inconsistencies, but overall, the system handles it well. The pattern is clear. The smaller the change, the faster the output. And here's another long-awaited improvement. If you click the 3 dots at the top of your deck, you'll now see a new option, Download PowerPoint. Finally, previously, exporting required downloading a PDF and manually converting it, which was tedious. Now you can export directly as a PPTX file with a single click. When you open the file, the slides transfer over cleanly. Design, layout, visuals, everything intact. However, there's an important limitation. The slides aren't fully editable. You can't just click on text and start typing. That's because NotebookLM builds slides more like designed graphic layers rather than traditional editable text boxes. I tested this in multiple apps, including Canva, and the text remained non-editable. Is that slightly frustrating? Yes, but it's still incredibly useful. You get a polished, ready-to-present deck without going through extra conversion steps. Hopefully, Fully editable exports are coming in a future update. To sum it up, this update brings meaningful improvements. You can now edit slides directly using Revise, batch your changes, regenerate the entire deck at once, and export straight to PowerPoint. While global theme editing and editable text exports still need refinement, the direction is very promising. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and share your thoughts on the new features. And if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tool improvements, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one.